This video is about how to make any man fall crazily and deeply in love with you. And it will make him obsessed with you. Have you been in a relationship where the guy has lost interest in you after the first few dates? If you've been frustrated when the relationship didn't work out the way you expected it to, don't despair. You're not alone. Plenty of women have trouble when it comes to keeping a guy's interest after the first few dates. They repeatedly fail at first and then end up with just what they get. But there are some women who are called naturals who get their way effortlessly with men. Men are very different compared to women when it comes to expressing how they feel. Women just say what's on their mind, but men try to conceal how they feel as much as possible. If you are a woman who is trying to get the affection of your partner, and you make him want to utter the words "I miss you," read below and find 7 ways to make him do so. Try not to pamper him all the time. Doing favors for your man all the time would make him very comfortable in a relationship, and he might end up taking you for granted. Try and make him stand up to his own 2 feet, and he will realize how hard it is without you around. Go and spend some quality time with your friends. Being together all the time makes a relationship and your date nights like a cycle that you would want to get over with. Seeing each other less would make your guy miss you and want to be with you more. Do not take too long in conversing with him over the phone. Guys normally call their girlfriends to know how they are doing and ask some random stuff. Make him miss you more by shortening the time of the conversations you have. Rest assured he will want more of you during your free time. Book a vacation without him. Make him feel that you can have a grand time for yourself without involving him. But when you do this, make sure he knows all the details. Make him feel your presence even if you are away. While you are away, make your presence felt by sending over some short texts or calls. This will definitely make him want you to come home. Let him know that you miss him a lot. Tell him how much fun you are having with your vacation, and let him know how it would feel like if you were there with him. This will let him know that he is missed, and he will be returning the favor by telling you he misses you as well. They don't have trouble when it comes to making a guy attracted to them. At the same time, they don't experience any trouble in keeping his interest. How do they do it? Well, they do it by making the guy completely obsessed with them. They make the guy think about them all the time. If you can make your current boyfriend or a guy that you're just seeing think about you all the time, you'll be able to make him fall crazily and deeply in love with you.
Now, for those of you girls listening, and you know who you are. Yes, the ones of you really wanting to get there with him. I have this special package that will unlock the very thing you need to get him to that point. So if nothing else, at least out of curiosity, check it out, as it could be one of the best things you'll ever do for yourself. Okay? The link is in the description below.
Here are psychological tactics to make any guy completely obsessed with you. Look extremely beautiful. If you've ever been in sales, you might know the legendary selling formula that's worked for centuries: AIDA, attention, interest, desire, and action. If you want to make a man completely obsessed with you, you'll have to learn how to get his attention. The best way to get a man's attention is by looking really beautiful. Upgrading your looks will give you more self-confidence and will also help you get your guy's attention. At the same time, there are other guys who'll pay attention towards you. This will fuel jealousy in your man and make him more possessive of you. The more possessive he is, the better. Why? It's because it'll make him secretly think about you all the time. Vibe with almost everyone you come across. People are naturally attracted to people who have more social influence than they have. The attraction rarely fades in such situations. When you vibe with everyone you come across, regardless of their gender, you'll begin to have greater amount of social influence. They'll be naturally drawn to you and would like to be around you more. When this happens, your man will feel proud about you. It's not just your boyfriend or husband. Any friend of yours will feel proud and admire the social influence you have over others. This sense of pride will do 2 things. It will increase the attraction he has for you and will make him ardently desire to be with you. The best way to vibe is by giving people a compliment. But if you make a general compliment, it won't help. You need to make a compliment about something that you noticed in them which they think is important. When you really compliment them on things they feel important, you create positive emotions in them. This is what vibing is, and this is the exact thing that will help you have more social influence and make you man obsessed with you. Thank you for listening to Dating Tips and Tricks. We have so much more coming for you. Subscribe now to get all our updates.